of this truck.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for all the wind noise. It's really windy again in this video, but so I want to say first off, thank you to all the new subscribers, man. You are killing it. Every video we're going up, and so we finally made it out to the Freddy LSX event. We got a couple S10s out here in the back. I'll go walk up there in the vendor lane in a minute, but we're all teched in, ready to run the 550 class. Turned it down a little bit to hopefully not break out. I'm trying to run something close to like a 540 maybe, just to kind of keep a little bit, you know, you got to stay a little bit ahead, have a little bit of pedal room for you. So we're gonna go up for a test lap in just a minute. We're waiting on my homies to get here, Toad and Brandon, and then give them the camera and we'll head up there. As you've seen on that lap, we did not do too great there. We actually spun, so we had a little bit too much in. I went back and looked at the tune, and we actually left on 7 pounds of boost instead of 5. I forgot to change that in the tune-up from last weekend. But as you can hear, the burnout pit's about to start going, so we're probably going to go check that out in just a second. But went a 643 at 123, obviously spinning. I kind of got back in to just see what it would do, and not great. So we're going to fix that and then head back up there after this burnout pit. We get some sideshows. Well, this is a truck we got first round. Apparently this guy actually used to own the S10 from what I'm told. So that's a pretty cool story there. This thing's pretty nice actually. It's a big truck to be running 550 class with, but it's definitely clean, that's for sure. Has some good work done to it. So that's our first round match up there. We're gonna see how it does. Hopefully it doesn't spin this time, and we can at least, if we can get down through there, I think we could probably drive it good enough to get done, but we'll see. I'll have the GoPro inside this time too, so we'll be able to get some in-car camera too. As you seen right there, we finally made it past first round of the damn race. It's been long enough for sure. Hey, sorry to those guys, shout out to them. I hope they get that thing fixed. I was looking over next to me going down track. He was a little bit ahead of me, then that thing just started pouring water out the damn the fender well and everything. It looked bad, and he started up there and it didn't sound too great, so hopefully they get that thing fixed. But hey, we got the win, and that's what really matters right now. We didn't do too great. I was on the brakes down there. Went a 558 at 111, so that's about 10-mile-an-hour loss. But hey, a win's a win, so now we got to go draw, see who we got next, and head back up there. So first round, we got Gustavo here with King R Tuned. I'm sure y'all heard of King R Tuned in Dallas. This thing, this is a pretty nice setup here. That thing's clean. It's a real clean truck. So he says he doesn't run 550 very well, and I don't know, I see that thing grudge race some, and it looks pretty quick on the internet, but we'll see. He's a grudge racer, so who knows? They grudge race that thing a lot, I'm pretty sure. But this is a clean OBS here. But we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully we keep the money in Houston and not send it up to Dallas with them. But we'll get you on the GoPro and see what happens. So you seen it right there. We turned on the wind light, finally got past round 1, so we got that monkey off our back now. You can see here Went a 551, 123. We had one pedal in it there, so mile an hour was still a little down, but hey, 551, you don't get much better than that. That's almost right on the money. So we're gonna go draw, see who we got, and hey, hopefully we make it past this next round and we're in the finals. So we'll see how it goes. That's the way it goes, man. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. You seen that guy went down there. I pedaled it one time. I don't know if you can see that with the dark, but we went a 560 at 115. What happened was he was next to me. He went right back in my blind spot, right where I couldn't quite see him out the corner of my eye, and I couldn't see him in my mirror. I let completely off the throttle and then got back in it, and he just shot around me at that last second. He went a 550 on a 550 index, so what more can you ask for? Hey, he's going to the finals, so good for him, man. But that's going to be it for us tonight, and I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the support. And hey, FYI, we got t-shirts coming very soon, so y'all hold on tight for that. But we'll see you on the next one.